Welcome, I'm Dennis from Wealthy Wally, and today we're going to talk about limit orders. What's a limit order and how you can use it when you're buying and selling stocks. We're going to get started right away. We're going to go right to our broker, right to our online portal. In my case, again, we're talking about TD Waterhouse through TD Canada Trust. And I'm going to show you my screen here where we have Valeant Pharmaceuticals. So Valeant's a company that's been getting a lot of attention lately, mainly due to the Philidor scandal in the US side, where their stock price went from over $300 down to $30 within a short span of a few months. So here we see the quote, the real-time quote as I've shown in a previous video. Now if we were in a position to buy Valeant, we would hit on buy. Then this would give us our order screen, and basically we could dictate what we want to do. So in this case, we want to buy 100 shares of VRX. We're going to hit get quote here again, so it gives us an assumption on what the price is. I'm currently on the Canadian side, and you can see that from VRXCA over here. So I'm going to execute a trade here on the Canadian side for 100 shares, and we're going to use the limit order. If you leave it at market, what that's going to do is we'll send your order directly to market, and the market makers will fill it instantly. So that'll be the price at what it's trading. If it's a non-volatile stock, meaning the price is high enough and there's several shares, millions of shares being traded throughout the day, it might not be a big deal to put a limit order. But if you're going on a budget or you want to wait for a certain price to come to you, then you do want to use limit orders. And that's what we're going to do now. So if I hit limit price, let's say we're trading at $36.50. I don't want to pay more than $36 a share. I would hit $36 here. And then since that will be sent to market on Monday, because we are Saturday today and the market is closed, I'm going to put a good till date, which is forward looking by several days. So I'm going to go all the way up to October 7th to allow me a chance to get my order filled, since I'm putting a limit price that is currently lower than the ask price offered on the market. So once we've done that, then you just hit next. It'll confirm the price, and then you can confirm your order. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to execute this order. However, another thing I want to show you is you can do the same thing on the sell side. So we're going to start back here. This time we're going to use First Solar, different company. It's on the US side, so I need to select the US market. And here I'm going to say sell. I don't currently have any holdings of First Solar in this particular account, but it's just to show you that we can do the same thing. So if I were to sell 100 shares of First Solar, I could set a limit price. So I would hit get quote to see where we're at, and we're at 37. So let's say I say I don't want to sell anything under $43, so I would put my limit price of $43. I would select a good till date. I would go to my calendar to make sure that the date I select is a market day. And I'm going to push this one all the way to November 25th. Okay, so 11:25. And then I would hit next, and that would send me to my order screen to confirm the price of selling 100 shares of First Solar at $43. So that's how you put a limit order. A few other key things on this order screen for you to know is the all or none and the stop limit. So the stop limit can be used in conjunction with the limit price. So if I were to put a $44 stop limit price, what that would do is trigger an alert in the system to tell TD Waterhouse, I want to sell out of my position. So the minute that the price drops below $44, it would then force to sell my stocks up to a bottom of $43. So the limit price has to be at or below the stop limit price. If the limit price is higher than the stop limit price, it will never get filled. The all or none button means if I want to sell 100 shares, but I want to sell all of them, not 90 or 80 or part of the 100, I want the 100 to sell all at once and not lower than $43, I would click the all or none button to make sure that I get all of my shares sold at the same time, so I'm not stuck with an odd lot of less than 100 shares. So that's how we put a limit order. If there's any more types of videos you'd like me to do, any topics of interest regarding stocks that you want to know about, please feel free to comment below. Also, let me know how I'm doing. If you like this video, I'd love to hear your feedback. And, if you're interested in knowing more about the videos that I've already done, please subscribe below, and you're going to see that there's more informational stuff out there that might help you become a better investor. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.